Good morning, everybody. My name is Carissa Chilko, and I will be going through our weather briefing today. We do have some mild weather starting off this week, so today and tomorrow there's not a whole lot to report on, but we do have some increased chance of rain Wednesday and a Wednesday night, and it could have some light sleet to freezing rain north of Richmond before transitioning back to rain, so we'll talk about that. And then we'll have another strong cold front move through the region Thursday as well. So with that rainfall event on Wednesday, we are not expecting very high rainfall totals, below half an inch for the entire area, with the northern part of our area a little bit higher, or not a little bit higher, but from a quarter to half inch, with the southern areas below a quarter inch. So this does not include rainfall totals on Thursday that we could get from that cold front. So on Wednesday, we do have a very limited ice accumulation risk for our northern areas of the region. So a very light glaze of ice is possible on the trees. And right now, with temperatures on a warming trend, we are expecting freezing rain versus sleet. So we're thinking right now a low impact to roads and more of that glaze on the trees. And then after Wednesday, we are not expecting any ice accumulation risks for the rest of the week. So looking at the timing of when we could see that precip, we do see that chance for some wintry mix on Wednesday and bleeding into Thursday. It's more going to be Thursday morning versus the afternoon. And then behind that, it will just be rain chances. Our props on Wednesday for that precip is maxing at about 80%, with higher confidence for rain chances on Thursday throughout the majority of the area. Our total precip for the next 7 days, so this will include that cold front moving through the area on Thursday, increases our accumulations a little bit to about half an inch for the majority of our region. The northern areas and the eastern shore could see a little bit higher, up to an inch of rain for the full week. And with that cold front moving through on Thursday, we will have some higher wind gusts. So the strongest gust will be on the eastern shore and southeast Virginia and northeast North Carolina. Closer to the coast, we could see some gusts up to about 30 miles per hour versus inland maxing around 25 miles an hour. Our maximum and minimum temperatures show that Wednesday is going to be significantly cooler than the rest of the days. We're going to have cold air damming, wedging in that cold air against the mountains, keeping us cool. So we actually will probably reach the high temperature early in the morning, it's looking like. But the good news, if you don't like the cold, it will warm back up on Thursday before that cold front comes through, and then some cooler high temperatures Friday and Saturday, slightly warming back up on Sunday into early next week. Switching gears over to the marine side, we do have a very low to medium risk for some gusts over 25 knots through Wednesday. So it's very marginal for any small crafts, not expecting anything higher. As for the threat potential for the next 5 days, the highest threat is going to be Thursday, where we could see some small crafts being needed. Right now, if you look at the max wind gusts and waves, it is still very marginal, so we're going to continue to monitor that, but it could be for all of the waters. So if we would issue some small crafts, that would be Thursday into Friday. Up until then, it's going to be quite benign and pretty calm, and same for after Friday morning, it will be pretty benign as well. So here you can see the main threat is limited to Thursday. As for our drought monitor, we are still under a drought. This does not include the rain we got over the weekend, so hopefully we did get some good amounts, so hopefully that will bring down the threats for drought a little bit, and maybe we can see some more rain this week as well. Looking ahead to next week, our temperatures are going to be right above normal, and then we are slightly above normal for precip chances. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you for attending. I will go ahead and stop the recording.